In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to format your Word document for thesis write-up or research write-up, right? So now many people don't know this, right? So you can see all these headers here, they all have their own functions, right? So now what I will do here is for heading one will contains all my chapters, then heading two will contain my sub chapters. Now this is what we do. I'll go to my one here and right click modify. So I'll change this to black, and this is time Roman. Most schools use this format in time Roman. So let me use 14, then bold, then it should be at the middle, right? So I've set it like this. So the next thing I'll do, I'll click on this format here. I'll go to paragraph, then you can see the line and page breaks. So I'll check this page break before, which means that for every new chapter it goes to the next page. That's what this one means. So every new chapter automatically goes to the next page. So I'll click this. Okay, I'm done with this. So the next thing I will do here is to go to this. You can see this what we call paragraph, right? So the paragraph menu, I'll click on this now. So you can see that where you have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. So I'll click on it, right? Fine. So what I will do, I will go back to that same place, right? Then click on define new multi-level list. So I'll click on it. So I'll define it. So I want my heading 1 to be chapters. So it starts from chapter 1. I can give it, then set all level. I can make it 0. Okay, all through 0. Then more, add characters with space. Okay, I'm done. So I'm done with heading 1. Now watch how heading 1 works. So if heading 1 is introduction, so let me put literature review. Heading 2 is literature review, right? Literature review. So if I click on this heading 1 here, it will break this place and automatically take it as chapter 2. Now watch. You can see. So you can see that we have configured this, and there's no need for you to be writing chapter this manually. So if then chapter 3 is on research methodology, so I will click this heading 1 and it takes me to chapter 3 research methodology. So you can see how it's done, very simple. So the next one I'm going to show you guys is how to do the 1.1, 1.2, 2.1 automatically without you writing it, right? So that would be my heading 2. So I will do the same thing. I'll modify this heading 2, black, bold. Let's make it 12. Time Roman. Let's give it a space of 1.5. So this is 2 points, which is normal spacing for project write-up. So let's make this 1.5. It's not should be at the front, not middle. So we're done with this. Okay. Okay, so let me check. I will go to my paragraph here, then go to define multi-level list. So my 1.1 is okay. So okay, then space this. So let me set all levels to 0. Okay, so I did 0. So I think I'm done with level 1.1. So if the 1.1 is in background of the study, then let's say this 1.2 may be some use to the research motivation. Or you can go straight to the statement of the problem. Statement of the problem. So I'll just click this and give 1.2. Now let me show you guys how. Then even if I'm in chapter 2, right? In chapter 2, the first one is introduction. Right, so if I click this heading 2, it gives me 2.1. The same thing applies to this, right? So if the first one is, if 3.1 is introduction, so it gives me this 3.1. So it makes the work so easy, right? Very, very easy. So if you want to have 1.1.1, then you can use heading 3, 1.1.1. You can see it. Even if you want to have 1.2.1, you use heading 3, you can see it. All you just need to do is just to modify it to be time Roman 12. It can be bold, right? So even if you go here, or you want to have 2.1.1, you can use heading 2. You can see it. So that is how it works. So in the next video, I'll show you guys how to do automatic figure, automatic equation, and automatic table, right? So with this, it will aid you to automatically do your table of contents without manually keying in, without manually fixing your table. So all you just need to do for your table of content here is click on these references here. So I will click on, you see table of contents, table of contents. So you click on table of contents. So automatically to generate those stuff you did here, you can see how easy peasy it is. So in the next video, I'll show you guys how to do automatic numbering of the figures, the tables, and the equations. Then I will now show you guys how to do automated referencing to aid your work to be perfectly done. Right? So thank you and stay blessed.